Spreadsheets are essential tools in various professional and personal contexts, offering powerful features for data management and analysis. Beyond basic operations, advanced features in spreadsheets can significantly enhance your ability to organize, analyze, and secure your data. This guide will explore three key advanced features: sorting data, filtering data, and protecting your spreadsheet with a password. By mastering these functionalities, you can improve the efficiency and security of your data handling processes. Sorting data in a spreadsheet helps you organize information in a specific order, making it easier to analyze and find relevant entries. You can sort data alphabetically, numerically, or by custom criteria. Steps to sort data: select the range, highlight the range of cells that you want to sort, including the header row if it exists. Open the Sort dialog, go to the Data tab on the ribbon. Click on the Sort button to open the Sort dialog box. Choose Sort criteria. In the Sort dialog, choose the column by which you want to sort. Select the sort order, ascending or descending. If you have multiple levels of sorting, click on Add Level and define additional criteria. Apply the sort. Click OK to apply the sort. The spreadsheet will rearrange the data according to your specified criteria. Filtering data allows you to display only the rows that meet certain criteria, making it easier to focus on specific information within a large dataset. Steps to filter data: select the range, highlight the range of cells that you want to filter, including the header row. Enable filtering, go to the Data tab on the ribbon. Click on the Filter button. Filter arrows will appear in the header cells. Apply filters. Click on the filter arrow in the column header you want to filter by. Choose the criteria for filtering. Example, selecting specific values, using text or number filters. Click OK to apply the filter. Only rows that match the criteria will be displayed. Clear filters. To remove a filter, click on the filter arrow again and select Clear Filter from the options. Protecting your spreadsheet with a password is crucial for maintaining the confidentiality and integrity of your data. This feature prevents unauthorized access and modifications. Steps to protect the spreadsheet: open the Protect Sheet dialog, go to the Review tab on the ribbon. Click on the Protect Sheet button. Set a password. In the Protect Sheet dialog, enter a password in the Password to Unprotect Sheet box. Choose the actions that users are allowed to perform without the password. Example, selecting cells, formatting cells. Click OK. Confirm the password. Re-enter the password in the Confirm Password dialog and click OK. Save the spreadsheet. Save your spreadsheet to apply the protection settings. The spreadsheet is now protected, and users will need the password to make changes to the protected elements. Advanced features in spreadsheets, such as sorting, filtering, and password protection, empower users to handle data more effectively and securely. Sorting data allows for better organization and analysis, while filtering helps focus on specific information within a large dataset. Password protection safeguards the integrity and confidentiality of your data, ensuring that only authorized individuals can make changes. By leveraging these advanced features, you can enhance your productivity and maintain higher standards of data management and security. Whether you're working on a personal project or managing professional data, mastering these tools will significantly improve your spreadsheet capabilities.